like my cilantro is like going bad as well. I completely forgot. I'm supposed to grab this soda for my car. A little ranch, you know. Let's see. See, I did my taxes. I did a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? Off my garlic now. Whatever that means. Put some cilantro in that bitch. Use the white part. Like, has garlic in it. Ooh. Oh my god. Yeah. It literally just like needs like if any seasoning, salt a little bit. Too small. I just kind of want to kind of spoon half. So, because like there's so skin so I don't eat what I'm supposed to eat. Pepper. So. Avocado, cilantro, lettuce, and then it's the bottom here. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect, actually. I'm glad I waited. Ah! Oh! Put my butter in there. Baste it. I'm thinking too much. I'm just gonna. Final product. You know, maybe not the prettiest, but you know, we out here. Finally. I don't have no laptop, nothing. I want to taste it together with the salad.